In today's possibly exciting instalment of carpet cleaning intriguities, we have something that I've not managed to find any information about at all, apart from other people that have one. This, the Dri-Star dry extraction carpet cleaning, I'll say system, it's not really a system, it's in this box. Should we have a look? Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? We have an American machine, look, from Virginia to show you here. It is an Advantage Dri-Star Tutor Portee. Features an innovative design, unsurpassed power, easy to use and store, superior performance, designed and produced in the USA, environmentally safe, over half a century of success. What is it? Well, you know the dry powder carpet cleaning, Zorb, Duo P, Cobra San, Shake and Vac. Anything. This is a device that scrubs it into the carpet. So obviously you're not supposed, as you've seen from my videos on this subject, you have to really scrub it in for the minutely damp sponges to do anything, and even then I'm incredibly dubious about the entire thing because I've never had much luck with it. But we can test this, not in this video though. This is just the unboxing and the first look. I got given this by Mr. James, so whether he was just palming off some rubbish on me or this is a thing, I don't know. We have two wands with power connectors running through them. There we go, two wands. We have a handle which has an on-off switch, which doesn't actually lock. Yeah, it doesn't lock, so that's a thing. There seems to be a suction release valve there, which is a little bit odd because there is no suction. Literally, this is all there is. That probably just goes to start down the long windy road off the poles to the bottom bit, but it's got a nice cable. It's got a brand new looking micro mark plug on it. Interesting. In here, though, there's no manuals or no paperwork with this, which is a bit of a shame. We have, and it's spewing out, it's been used. We have the actual head itself, and again, there's nothing suctiony going down there, although it is hollow all the way through. But there's no suction outlet. So whether I can hack this to be a nice power head for a vacuum, I'm not too sure, but we won't worry about that now. We shall just have a look more closely at the head. Because what this is a dedicated dry cleaning powder scrubber. Doesn't extract it, doesn't suck it up, just scrubs it in. Sebo have a similar machine, although I imagine this costs an awful lot less. And what have we got? We have a big wooden brush roll with some very dense bristles. It is a D101A. And that's about it. I know nothing else about this at all. At all. So I think the only real thing we can do is to plug it in and see if it actually works. So it stands itself up. That's better than a Dyson V10. That switch not staying on, it is ever so annoying. But makes it's very quiet. And from initial on this carpet, it is bringing the pine up ever so slightly. I wouldn't say the brushes are stiff though, at all. They're not soft, they're dense. It also will just churn the same way, which is that way. So it'll only ever circulate it around, won't suck it away. There's no contra rotating brushes of any sort to do, to stop it from clacking itself up, and that's about it. This is just a quick unboxing and first look. My plan is to do a follow-up video, because my last proper Zorb video had the DC04 Zorbster in it and the Vorwerk VK120. Now I've still got the Vorwerk, haven't got the Dyson, but we're going to do it again. We might be able to compare. We'll use this to scrub in, so it's always the same. So we can do a little bit there, and I'll find a nice dirty piece of carpet that we can section off, and we can see if any of the dry cleaning powders actually do remove stains, because I don't think they do. They fluff the pile up and make it all soft and nice, but don't actually clean it. So with this we might be able to do some proper investigational journalism using all the different powders. Otherwise I'll probably just sell it. I don't. We'll give it a go, but it's not something that is really going to make my life complete by owning. So I'll put that in there. These just chuck on top of the box. Whether it's missing something, I don't know. There isn't much about these. I've read about them. There's a few people on vacuum. There's a few friends on vacuum now, I should say. That's about it. So it's a bit interesting. It's also a bit boring because it is just a power head on a stick. But it's a thing, and obviously we like looking at things here on Back in 1987 and have a look at the thing we have. And thank you for looking at this thing with me. You shall see it again one day. It's not priority really. I'm just filming this so I can put this up out the way until such time as I fancy doing it. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any information about this, if you've got an instruction manual scanned in, I'd love to have a read of it. But otherwise we shall chuck various dry cleaning powders down. So I've got Zorb, Kobasan and Duo P. I think that's all of them. There's only 3 big players. I'm not going commercial. We'll stick to what's available via a vacuum manufacturer and see what happens. So thank you very much for watching, and we shall see this soon, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.